bank. Anybody in here, have you ever heard of a sweet potato bank? Put it in the comments. Let me know. Let me know what a sweet potato bank is. Stephanie say no. Angela, awesome. Minister Chase. Nancy Lynn said hello everyone in 73, and you look so much younger than 73. Thank you, Nancy Lynn. Carmen says hi, Angela. Minister, no, I never heard of it. Has anybody, is there one person in the live that has heard of a sweet potato bank? Nancy Lynn said, what? A sweet potato bank? Yes. Now, the thumbnail in this live is the picture from a video I seen yesterday. And I had never heard of a sweet potato bank until then. And it just floored me. I said, I gotta share this. I gotta ask and see if anybody else have heard of it. I'm gonna Google this. A sweet potato bank. Yes, the day after I made the live for this week, I turned off my tablet and then turned it back on in the morning and saw it was on my tablet StreamYard, the app. I was like, OMG, that is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna check that out when I get off the live. But what I can understand and what I heard from this lady, okay, all back to work. Have a great day to all. And Miss Beverly, love the show. Thank you so much, Paul, for stopping by. It means a lot to me, and I appreciate it. Angela, storage potatoes. My grandmother had a little sweet potato hill. That's what it is. It is storage for potatoes. And this picture was taken in South Carolina. And it was a black lady standing in front of it, telling the person who was reporting on it and recording what was going on. And this is it's like a little teepee made out of straw and hay, it looks like, going up like that. And it has a door. I took 3 pictures. Let me see. Nope. Okay. Let me see if I can get, I don't know if you can see it clearer. See, there it is. You see it? That's what it's made. That's how it's made. This is in South Carolina. And there you go in and you put the sweet potatoes. And they keep the sweet potatoes there all summer or during the year. That's how they stored the sweet potatoes. And they say the sweet potatoes ferment in there also. But they said the sweet potatoes that come out of this little hut, this little teepee or hut or whatever it is the best sweet potatoes you could ever eat. And I was intrigued by that. And that's where our ancestors, you see it? Sweet potato bank. Uh-oh, sorry y'all, hit it wrong. That's the picture I just showed you. There's that picture, that's the top of it. And see, there's the lady was standing there. I wish I got a better picture of her. She's the one telling about that and telling about how her parents used to always do this. I learned something. He says, I learned something new today while in South Carolina. One of the beautiful and the beautiful life to learn of the old and the new. I had never known about this, and this is amazing. Just truly amazing. And I like learning about this. And South Carolina, that meant a lot to me because Charlie and myself, our ancestors, as slaves, they were brought. The port they got off in was in South Carolina. So that's what made me click onto it, when I first saw it. But this is a sweet potato bank. It's where they stored the sweet potatoes. My. God can do anything but fail. See? And this lady said to this day,